Back once again on tip of the day. So today's tip of the day is going to be on skin care and for people who are suffering from open pores. So this is a very quick tip that you could do it in the night. What you need to do is to make some rosy cubes. So what are these rosy cubes? Basically you mix with a water, few drops of rose water, and you put it in the freezer and make cubes out of it on your ice cube tray. In the night you take those ice cube, maybe 1 cube is enough, wrap it in a tissue or in a cloth, and then you start rubbing that over the areas where you are having open pores. Keep rubbing on that area like for about 10 to 15 seconds till it is little bit absorbed or the ice is melted a bit. After that, just tap it very well, and you could follow it with a moisturizer or a serum that I've mentioned below depending on your skin type and if you have like open pores, and then you could have a nice good night's sleep. This will help in closing the pores, tightening the pores, as well to tighten the sensitivity of the skin because of the broken capillary. So if you have like red blood vessels running around, which is the sensitivity of the skin, it will also help in tightening those blood vessels. So I hope you guys like the tip for the day. I'll see you tomorrow with a new tip. Till then, take care, goodbye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you like the tip for the day, leave a thumbs up as well. Bye bye.